everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 654 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out the Gigi Gorgeous, the only blush duo that I got from my November 2019 Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate box. So if you haven't seen my unboxing of that, I will have that video linked down below. So this comes with two blush shades in it. They're called Authentic and Pride. This is cruelty free and vegan. And it's an Ipsy exclusive collaboration with Gigi Gorgeous. And so this is my third product from that collection that I'm trying out. I tried out the bronzer duo, which was okay. I wasn't loving it, but then I tried out the lip balm and I was blown away by that. So I will link my review videos of both of those products in the description down below if you want to see those. But so check out the packaging on this. I think it's so beautiful. This is the same packaging as the bronzer duo, but I just think this is so pretty. I mean, I love pink, so I definitely think that this one is a cuter product. But you get the mirror here, and it really does look like a luxurious product. And so let me go ahead and swatch them. I do like how different the shades are. So this one has some shimmer to it, and I can kind of feel some shimmer texture. And then this one I think is matte. Let's see. Ooh, that's a really pretty shade. That more like orange tangerine. But yeah, I can tell right away they're not super pigmented, but the description of these even says that it adds subtle color, but that you can build it up. Ooh, that has really pretty shine to it. That other pink shade, like wow, it really doesn't have much pigment. Like it's barely showing up on my super fair skin tone, but it has a lot of silver sparkle to it that I think these might look really pretty layered together. But so let's see. To start out, I'll just apply each shade by itself to my cheeks, and then we can just see how the shades look on their own. So I'm going to pick up this tangerine, I'll call it tangerine shade, first on my blush brush that I use every day. So this is like my standard blush brush. I never really gravitate towards these orange tone blushes, so I'm interested to see how this will look on me. Ooh. It's showing up pretty pigmented actually on my cheeks. Since I am so fair and I do have redness to my skin, I don't need that much blush. Like that is actually plenty. And I like this shade. I'm pleasantly surprised by how it looks on my skin, but it does kind of add almost like a sun-kissed glow. I like that. Okay, look at that difference too. Like before with it, I really feel like that just gave life to my cheek, and that applied really quickly. It blended out nicely. It looks smooth on the skin. All right, and then I got this really awesome product at the dollar store recently. This is like a makeup brush cleaner. So it's just this like bumpy material inside, and then you just brush your makeup brushes on them and it cleans them. It's kind of like magic, but it works so well on eyeshadow brushes, just like in between if you want to use the same brush. You just rub it in here and it cleans it. So that just really quickly cleans off any of that excess color. So now I can use the same brush, which I feel like is important, so then you can really see how the product applies both shades with using that same brush, kind of like having a control variable or factor. I forget how those science experiment terms work. But okay, so now I'm picking up the shimmery pink shade. Like this is a shade that I would definitely gravitate towards and choose and purchase on my own as like a true pink shimmery shade. And I like how this one looks too. Now that I have it on my face, it's not overwhelmingly sparkly at all. Like, I don't even really think you would notice much sparkle unless you were really looking up close and looking for sparkle. But let's see. Wow, you really can see the color difference, whereas, so this cheek has the lighter pink shade. This cheek has more of that orange tone. And wow, that's so funny. Like, you really can see how it transforms my complexion, and like this I feel like has more warmth to my skin tone. Not that it's like cold or opposite of warmth, but it really doesn't look as sun-kissed as this side does. That's so interesting. I've never really like compared the way a blush changes my complexion, so this is actually really interesting. But I like both of them. But I'm surprised, I think I like this side a little bit better. Okay, now let's see how they look combined. So I'm gonna pick up some of that light pink shade and then just dust it on top. Now that looks like a lot of color, like probably too much blush going on here. But it is a nice combo. I like that shade. Let me go and add a little bit of the peach tangerine shade on this side. Yeah, I really do think that I like this shade better, but I like how they look together. So maybe I would pick up more of the tangerine shade and then just more of a dusting of the light pink shade so that it's more of a warm tone. I am very pleasantly surprised by how much I like this product and how much I like these shades. I think that this applied really nicely. I think it looks really nice on the skin. Wow, okay. So in my opinion, this Gigi Gorgeous collection turned out to be pretty great. I wish I got more products from it, but hopefully next month there will be another awesome collection, limited edition collaboration that Ipsy will come out with. I feel like my skin, my complexion looks so much healthier with this blush on it than when I first started the video. It's so funny how just like quickly throwing on that product, I feel like really just transformed my face and my makeup look. So I had definitely heard some mixed reviews on this product, so I'm very curious. In the comments down below, let me know what your thoughts are on it. I have so many good blushes from Ipsy from these past few months, so I don't even know how I'm gonna get through all of these great blushes that I just wanna keep using because I love all of them. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.